How's everyone doing? Nixon here. Today I'm going to show you how to beat the Moab Madness quest, which is really simple because the map is really easy. But start by placing a tack shooter as far up and right as you can there, and a village on this side of the track here. Give it a double discount, and place another village on the other side. Give also that guy a discount, double discount. There you go. Make this one camo and the other one a 402, and start upgrading your tack to a 402, which will eventually become an infernal ring, which will pretty much destroy everything. Place a boomerang right below it, make that guy a 402 as well, and he will eventually become a glaive lord. But for now, place an alchemist to the left of this village, set him to strong, and give yourself unstable concoction. 031. Then after that, place a glue gunner above the village. Well, apologies, place an alch to buff your attack and boomerang. Make the alch a 420. But after that, go ahead and place a glue gunner above your village there. Set him to strong and make him a 013, and that's all you'll need from that glue gunner. Just a little bit of a slowdown on the Moabs. You won't upgrade him anymore, you're fine. This is sufficient for the first round. Rest assured, these towers will take care of round 1 with ease. And come round 2, mid-round, you'll be able to get the Infernal Ring. And once you do, it's pretty much GG. But go ahead and start the second round. Get the Infernal Ring, set him to strong. Rest assured, you will be fine until you get the money. You will not die. Once you get the Infernal Ring, set him to strong, you're good to go. Next, go ahead and place a Dart Monkey below that village, which we won't upgrade yet. We're just placing these towers for now. One bomb shooter there, and another bomb shooter above the village. Don't worry about upgrading them yet. First, we want to focus on the Glaive Lord. Oh, and make that village an MIB. I almost forgot to do that, but I'm not entirely sure if you need it, but why not, to make it easy on the DDTs. Better safe than sorry. So go ahead and make that village an MIB 032. Now go ahead and start upgrading your boomerang to Glaive Lord as soon as you have the money. Once you do that, get on your Dart Monkey and make him an 025. You should have the money mid-round 5 to do it. And there you go. Once you're done with that, we're not going to upgrade the bomb shooters yet. We're just going to wait for primary expertise. So go ahead and start round 5. Get your primary expertise. Set them to strong, and then upgrade the bomb shooters to 204 and 420 respectively. And that'll be more than enough for you to win the game. You'll get a ton more money, but you won't even need it. So mid-round here, wait for Infernal Ring and Glaive Lord to do their thing. Get primary expertise, set it to strong. Make the first bomb shooter here 204. The other one 420, and you're done. It's GG. And as you can see on the top end of the screen, you'll get a ton more money. If you want, you can go ahead and place more towers, but you really don't need it. These towers are more than enough to complete this quest. As you can see, we have a ton more money, but you don't need it. And there you go. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Take care.